Hey everyone, this is Prachi Vijay here and welcome to my YouTube channel. So here I am with my next recipe, which is the bread pizza. I've made this by using the normal bread that's available in the market. So try out something new with this bread and try out the bread pizza. I hope you'll like it. Enjoy! Okay friends, so the ingredients for the bread pizza are as follows. We have grated cabbage, we have onions, we have cheese. Now this cheese is available in the market as Amul cheese cube. So you just go to the market and tell them and they'll give you this cube. I've grated this over here. We have capsicum. We also have paneer and tomato. Now for the tomatoes, just make sure that when you chop them, remove the seeds, because otherwise since it's a watery fruit, the water comes out after some time. So just make sure that you remove the seeds. Here we also have a green chutney. Now this is a combination of coriander, few slices of tomato and one green chili. For the spices, you're going to need red chili, you're going to need salt and oregano. Along with this, you'll also need a tomato ketchup and butter. And now the king of the dish, bread. Okay, so here I've taken my slice of bread on which I'll be putting my chutney as a base. I'll be spreading it evenly all over the surface, and now I'll be adding the vegetables one by one. So starting off with the cheese, I'll add my cheese after the base, and then I'll be adding onions. Now after every layer of a vegetable, you need to add a pinch of salt and chili powder. Now make sure that you use your hands while using the salt rather than your spoon. So add a little bit of salt and the chili powder after every layer of a vegetable. Now add cabbage to this. So we'll be adding some cabbage, and again after the cabbage we'll be adding salt and chili powder. Now on this I'll be adding tomatoes. Now after adding the tomatoes, again we'll be repeating the same thing, a pinch of salt and chili powder. On this I'll be adding few chunks of capsicum. So the more colorful your pizza, the more prettier it's gonna look. And then at the end, add lots and lots of cheese. And so the more cheese you add, the more cheesy flavor you're gonna get. So this is ready. Okay, so over here you have your bread, and on that I'm going to spread the tomato ketchup. You can also use your normal Szechuan sauce, which is available in the market. Now on that I'll be adding the toppings. So first I'm going to add some cheese on this, and then all the vegetables that I've used earlier. So on that I'm going to add onions and the normal salt and chili powder. Now you can definitely use the vegetables that you want, like I've added cabbage again. On this again I'm going to add the chili powder and salt. I've added tomatoes, and on this I'll be adding paneer as my main ingredient. If you want, you can also make use of the normal corn, the sweet corn that's available. You can also make use of olives, or your flavor, your taste, any vegetable that you like. At the end I'll be adding capsicum and lots of cheese on this. So this is another kind of topping of mine that's ready. So now both are ready, so we're just going to go and toast them. Okay, so here we've taken a pan and we're just going to rub butter on it. Now it's a normal pan that's available in your house. On this we're going to add our bread slices that we prepared, and on top of this we're going to add oregano. Now we're going to keep the flame to low or medium, not high, because then your breads will get burnt. On top of this we'll be covering it with a lid just to maintain the temperature so that your cheese melts. Now you can take any lids that's available in your house. I've taken the one which I have, and I'm going to toast it for around 4 minutes. Now after 4 minutes, as you can see, the cheese has already melted, and that means it's ready to serve. So we'll be serving this hot, and if you want, you can add a tomato ketchup for your garnish. So here it is. It's ready to be